Hi, this is Dorothy Kilty with Raccoon Alley Creations, and I used Nathalie's from Line Dot Arrows vintage ephemera kit, and I printed the whole thing on cardstock, and then I cut out some of them, and I made this little booklet. Now this is elastic, so it just slides off, but I just put the string both ways. This is elastic string through the button, and it will actually slide if you need it to. I'm not going to touch it. Okay, so I really like these cards. And so what I thought was these cards side can be like journaling, and then a collage on the back of them. So because this is just rings, I can add more if I want to in the future. But meanwhile, I used some vintage papers or scraps I had. This butterfly's printed on fabric, not printed, glued onto fabric. It's napkin glued onto fabric, and I really thought that was fun. I got it. I saw Melanie from the Treasure page do it, and so I just really had a lot of fun gluing a lot of things. Now on this one, I have a pocket here, and then this opens to some little bit of journaling. So again, this uses Nathalie's Purple Jam Summer Kit, I hope I have that name right, that she created for the retreat that Two Sister Jam put on. So, and I have this purple lace comes from Two Sister Jam that I've used in various places. So again, this is a napkin glued onto some tea-dried fabric, and then Nathalie's digitals. This is a little strip of Two Sister Jam lace, and just some of Nathalie's digitals glued on. Now this is glued on, it's a strip, so this would also make a good belly band and stuff, and I did do that later, but right now it's just glued on, and I have a little bit of inking and stamping along with the vintage papers. Now this one here, I put 2 pockets on, so I think that could also be journaling space. I had printed it on the back with some more digitals. Now this one here, so this is kind of a double thing. This folds out for journaling space, okay? But then this is also a tuck spot back here if you wanted to tuck something into that, okay? And then here we have this page. Now what I was doing it on the back of everything, and then I suddenly realized that I needed to not have my collage stuff sticking off the back of the book. I needed it back. So this one got turned over the other way. So the back is one of the cards. And then we have a belly band with this, held in place with a couple of brads. Now these brads were put on before I glued it down, so the backing is done. And then this is a hidden paper clip, and so it can just slip right on here. Whoops, need to get it on both sides. There we go. To hold it in place, okay? And so there we go. I did this corset for week 1, so I went back in and added the word hope here. I did that because I've been using a hope stamp quite a bit on things. This was a little bit of the Two Sister Jam lace, and then this is where the brads came through, and so I covered that up and made kind of a little tab thing or trim with the lace, a little easy cluster in the corner. So that's what I've done for Nathalie's challenges this month. It's been fun. I have enjoyed it. I love Nathalie's papers. and I will be doing things again. Now I can come back later and add more to this because I had smaller rings, but with my arthritis I couldn't get them open for some reason, so I use the larger ones. But I think it makes a kind of a cute little booklet. Okay, thanks very much. I appreciate you watching, and thank you, Natalie, for the gorgeous papers.